I mean, all around, she's pretty darn clean despite dust and dirt. I mean, I redid the valve cover gaskets, which is, there is a short of me doing that. If you want to see that, go look at it. Also, the best way to support this channel is to subscribe. We're on the road to 500 subs, so we're trying to be as diligent as possible, and that would help me, and that would be absolutely freaking awesome. But on the contrary, I can show y'all something that you might not believe. Despite 291,000 miles, she does not have any leaks. This is all dried up for the most part. I mean, it's nothing that drips that I've seen, and that comes from the power steering. And when I say leaks, I mean like just motor wise, by the way. So that comes from the power steering. Nothing leaks on the oil pan that I've seen since I've had it, and nothing on the trans fan. Oh hey, by the way, guess what? I guess it does have a bolt. Awesome, that's cool, makes me happy. So I guess we'll be doing that soon. So we need to get that done pretty soon. I really need to do rear end fluid soon too. I have not checked that since I've bought this truck. So I'm a little skeptical of that. Don't worry about my exhaust system. I kind of did that. It's loud, but not as loud because I got a resonator on it. So she's sweet. So let me get out of here so I can put y'all on time lapse so y'all can watch me clean this thing. And that's about it. I just trying to do something for y'all. Might not be the best, but hey, we're small and we're working our way up. So it's a start, right? She's not as bad, but what you don't see is what I see. And it's all over my windows. So we kind of had a little fun the other day. So that's the purpose of this ride. So let's get this done. We're gonna check the oil on the runner today. And then when we get done checking the oil, I'm gonna pressure wash it, clean up. So I'll probably cue a little time lapse so y'all can see that. Trying to do a little bit more long form content for y'all, though nobody watches, but hey, it'd be nice if you do. It would help. So let's check this out. This truck's got 291,000 miles, and this sucker runs like a dream, son. Freaking love this truck. It's actually one of the best vehicles I had. Now, I had a Chevrolet and a few other vehicles that did me pretty good, but I mean, she just don't really burn oil. Sometimes I have to look at the backside, because the front side doesn't matter how many times I check it, always seems like it's over. It just doesn't burn. I mean, it blows my mind. It smells pretty burnt. That's because my oil change is due in 60 miles, so that's okay. No harm, no foul. I don't think that's a big deal. Pretty sure my transmission fluid, I mean, we're just gonna look at the color. I'm not gonna crank it to check it. I'm pretty sure the color is still red. No, it's actually kind of brown, which is not good. We're gonna probably take care of that soon. I don't like that idea. Yeah, I don't like that idea at all. Okay, so that probably means new toll day at Harbor Freight. I'm gonna get that oil extractor, cause the freaking drain situation on these oil pans is not it. If I remember right, there's not a drain plug under there. If there is, that's awesome. But the last transmission I bought for somebody, which was four-wheel drive, because I'm going to convert this to four-wheel drive, their transmission was freaking toast. Dude, really irked my nerves. And everything was rusted, tore up. It was not good. Nothing was good. And I could not find a drain plug for the actual trans pan. So I was pretty bummed out about that. So we're gonna see about this. maybe later down the road I can probably order another pan that's got a drain plug on it, but we'll see. But I know that transmission fluid's got to be done, so that's fine. My battery's fine. Maybe this is a new Interstate battery. I mean, everything looks awesome in this thing. I normally keep up with it. I mean, I can show y'all. Okay, so I'm trying to work on everything on the interior, but soon, I actually have it ordered right now. It's in my Amazon cart. I will make sure that I show y'all and put it on here. But I ordered bright white LEDs for this 4Runner right here. If anybody wants to know the specific LEDs, just let me know. I'll put the link in the description, or I'll make a little short video telling you exactly what the LEDs are. And then I will be ordering this soon. Get rid of that garbage. And we're going to be changing this to the 2026 style steering wheel, which is going to be absolutely astronomical. It's going to be freaking awesome. So hope y'all stay tuned and watch that. If y'all want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe and turn your notifications on, and stay around. And let's keep growing this channel so we can keep doing more fun content.